Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the May 19th, 2025 meeting of the Jefferson County Board of Zoning Adjustment. The Board of Zoning Adjustment is a 5-member board. 3 affirmative votes are required to approve a request for variance or other appeal. For anyone addressing the board today, please give us your name and address for the record, and then tell us what your hardship is or what your objection to this request may be. You will be given our decision today verbally, and you will receive our decision in writing within 10 days. Zoning approvals can be issued immediately following the hearing in our office at room B200. However, you will first be required to obtain a permit from the Jefferson County Department of Health if your application involves connection to a septic tank, or the Jefferson County Environmental Service Department if your application involves connection to the sanitary sewer. Anyone disagreeing with the board's decision today has 15 days in which to file an appeal in circuit court. Also, we would ask that you silence any electronic devices during this hearing. Okay, first item on the agenda today is case number A250011, Alabama Power Company. Would staff please present the case?
Yes, ma'am. This is a variance from the terms of the zoning resolution to allow construction of a 180-foot cellular communication tower within 300 feet of a protected residential area. The existing zoning is U1, utilities. Existing improvements on site are there's one power station. It's 0.08 acres. The proposed variance does not conflict with the policy of the county comprehensive plan. The property was rezoned R1 to U1 in 2006. Section 1119.04, the tower setbacks for properties classified as protected residential areas shall be a minimum of 50 feet plus 5 for every 1 foot of tower height in excess of the 120 feet. For a 180-foot tower, the structure would have to be located 350 feet from a protected residential area. For your information, a protected residential area is defined as parcels of land with a residential zoning classification as listed in Article 6, regardless of current use as determined by the Director of Land, Planning, and Development Services. Those communities where the preponderance of land is currently in residential use and 1 acre or less in area, regardless of current zoning classification. Part of the staff summary, I won't read all the bullet points, but the applicants have filed this case in order to permit a cellular tower to enhance cellular service in the area. Generally, from my understanding, cell towers are placed at a high elevation to maximize their coverage. I think we have this page in your booklet showing the coverage, how it will be enhanced. Like I said, it's the practice of those to put towers in high elevation. The towers are engineered to collapse within a certain area. The fall radius is much smaller than the height of the tower. Since 2015, there have been, I think, 10 cases. They're in your bulletin. Each of those has been approved. Therefore, staff recommends approval for case A250011.
Thank you. Okay, does any member of the board have questions for the staff or the applicant regarding this case?
No.
Okay, and at this time we'd like to open a public hearing regarding this item. Is there anyone here who wishes to speak in opposition or support to this request? Please give us your name and address.
My name is Patton Hahn, 1901 6th Avenue North, Birmingham, Alabama. I'm with the law firm of Baker Donaldson. We represent the applicant in this. I think the recommendation you've gotten from your staff is very thorough here. I do have representatives from Verizon and Alabama Power that are also willing to answer any questions that you might have today. The report and the coverage you've looked at here, that is just the improvements to Verizon's coverage that's going to be needed, that will be brought about by the tower. The tower will also provide better function and higher, will provide coverage for Alabama Power's equipment, allowing it to serve the residents in this area better. But I'm happy to answer any questions you may have.
Y'all have any questions? Is there anyone here that wants to speak in opposition? Now, do y'all have any questions for the applicant?
No, I think that you did a good job with respect to your issue. If there is some outage or some problem with the tower and it should fall, so I guess that was one of the concerns.
Right. We certainly understand when Verizon and Alabama Power certainly understand when you're putting these towers near residential areas that kind of thing is going to be a concern. But these towers are designed to basically fold on top of themselves.
And you feel totally confident?
I feel as confident as someone who can who gets a letter from a licensed engineer. I'm not an engineer, but we do this very, very regularly.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay, if there's no opposition that wants to speak against it, then this public hearing is now closed. May I have a motion from the board?
Madam Chair, I recommend approval of case A-25-001.
I second the motion.
Thank you. All in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed? Okay, the variance has been granted. Thank you. Okay, our next case is A-25-0012, property owner John Ruffin. Would you please present the case?
Yes, ma'am. This is a variance for the terms of the zoning regulation to allow a mobile home to remain as located 29 feet to the center line of McCutcheon Road in lieu of the required 60 feet, and to remain as located 20 feet to the existing single-family residence under separate ownership in lieu of the required 75 feet, and to remain 7 feet from the side property line in lieu of the required 15 feet, and to permit a mobile home on a lot having less than 15,000 square feet. Existing zoning is R6 single family. There's an unpermitted mobile home in existence now on the property. The surrounding zoning is also R6. The site is approximately 12,100 square feet. It's capable, it's agreeable with the comprehensive plan of land use, it's not out of character for the overall community, and does not conflict with the comprehensive plan for the area. The original R6 zoning, that's kind of in camp zoning. Those lots are small, tiny. That's why the R6, Section 1114 regulation govern mobile homes in zoning districts other than R5A mobile home subdivision and R5A the mobile home park subdivision. As you can see, let's go to this. The lots irregular shaped. Staff recommends approval with access only on McCutcheon Road.
Thank you. Does any member of the board have questions for staff or the applicant regarding this case?
I do. I have a question.
Okay, would the applicant please, for the staff or the applicant? Would the applicant please step forward and give us your name and address? Your name and address, sir?
My name is John Ruffin. I currently live at 1704 Sunset Avenue in Gardendale.
Thank you.
Mr. Ruffin, did Mr. Morrissey or any staff talk to you about the need to get approval from the health department?
It's already, but no, I've not done that. Thank you. I've not done that because in short order, when mobile home was placed, I received a letter, and so I've not. I have had, however, the septic inspected. There is an existing septic tank on the property, and it's been inspected by a company, but no, I have not yet.
But you understand that you need to do that?
I'm sorry.
Do you understand that you need to get approval?
Yes.
Okay.
Who inspected it for you? Who inspected it for you? Pickle, okay. So they actually dug up and inspected? Okay, that's fine, I understand. I just want to make sure.
Did the staff also talk to you about surveying your lot?
I'm a little hard of hearing.
Did the staff talk to you about getting your lot resurveyed?
I've had it resurveyed. I had to present one to the zoning board before I could make application.
So he has that?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
The plot plan that was provided with this, I've been in communication with the surveyor the need to get together a preliminary plat to open the planning and zoning commission.
Okay.
Okay. Are there any other questions? And I assume you're not speaking in opposition, is that correct? Okay. Okay, if there's, oh, you have questions? Okay, excuse me one moment, please. Since he said that.
Okay.
Okay, if there is no opposition, then with board members, could I have a motion from the board members?
Madam Chair, I recommend approval of case A-25-0012 with two-step stipulations. One, that there be a approval from the health department, and two, no driveway allowed off of Cherry Avenue.
I second the motion.
Okay, all in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed? Okay, sir, your request has been approved with the conditions that have been stated. So thank you. Okay, that closes our meeting for today. Thank you. Have all the members of the board had a chance to review the case materials and minutes from the April 10th, 2025 hearing that
Yes.
were sent to us electronically?
Yes.
Okay, may I have a motion from the board regarding the minutes from the April 10th, 2025 hearing?
Madam Chair, I make a motion to suspend the reading of the April 28th, 2025 minutes and approve as written.
May I have a second? What?
Oh,
It's the April 28th
no,
minute.
she said suspend the reading of it.
Suspend the reading, right.
Just approve it.
Okay,
Go
second
straight to
Do I
motion.
have a second?
Yes.
Second.
Thank you. All in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed?
What did you think I said?
Okay. The minutes have been accepted as written. This meeting is
Adjourned.
adjourned. He gets a kick out of me
See,
doing it.
they put March 24th on here, and it was really April 28th.
Oh, okay.
That was
Is that
the
what
thing.
y'all?
Yeah,